I'm going to be showing you how to make some slime. So first you're going to need a plate. And then next you're going to need a mixing tool. Then you will need some glue. And let me go get that. Then I have this gallon of glue here. So I have this gallon of glue. Then I also have shaving cream. And then I have Tide. And this is optional, but you can always use like food dye. I'm using pink food dye. And so you're going to want to get your plate. Mine has a little bit of dry Tide on it because I made slime on this before. Get your glue. Pour as much as you'd like out. So I think I'm going to pour that much. Just wait for all the glue to come out so you don't get the glue on the edges, because then it makes the cap stick. Okay. Alright. So next you're going to want to get your shaving cream. I'm using this kind of shaving cream. It's called Barbasol. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but you're going to add shake it just a little bit, and then add some in. This is for the recipe for fluffy slime. So if you want another recipe for slime, just comment down below. And tell me what kind of slime I should make. And I'll get the ingredients. And at the end, I will do some some ASMR of this slime. So this is how it looks when it's all mixed in. Just mix it a lot so the shaving cream and the glue are all mixed in together. Then get your food dye. Oopsie. Then you're going to want to just make about a couple of drops. Because if you use borax or contact solution with baking soda, that will work really well if you want it to be like a light pastel color and stay that color. But if you're using Tide or any other color of detergent, you're going to want to add a lot of the food coloring if you want it to still stay that color, so it will like show up. So I'm going to add just a little bit more because this isn't enough for me. And I really want this to show up because when I add the Tide, it's like a blue color. See? It's a blue color. Okay, so I'm just going to mix this in. You may have to add like a lot of drops. So I'll be right back once it's my desired color. Okay, so I'm back and this is the color I liked. It's a little darker, but that's how dark it is. And so I'm just going to get my Tide and add in just a little bit. And then next, I'm going to mix it. And it's starting to form. Then next, you're going to add a little bit more. Don't add too much. And then just keep on mixing it, and soon it'll start to form. But you just want to mix it. You can start kneading it if you want, if you think it's ready to knead. I'm just kneading it kind of slowly because it's getting formed pretty fast. I'm just going to add in a little bit more activator. Okay, so I finished my slime, and this is how it turned out. It turned out like really good. Sorry about that, Rip. So I really like this slime. And what should I name it? Leave a comment below. And also comment down below what other slime I should make on my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.